Good morning students, this is science video. We have finished with the answer the following question in brief. Today we are starting with the answer the following question in detail. That means long answer type questions. Clear? So answer should be a lengthy one, and questions are given in your textbook on page number 35. So ready with your classwork copy with blue pen and black pen. I will explain the questions first and answers, and then you will start doing it in your classwork copy. Clear? So after this video I will send the picture, then you will start it in your classwork copy with today's date. So this is your answer the following questions in detail, and this is the last exercise of your classwork copy, which you have to do it in today's date. That is, what are vertebrates, what are different types of vertebrates. You have to tell the definition of the vertebrate and types of vertebrates. Clear? So animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. Types of vertebrates are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Clear? So these are the types of vertebrates, and this is the end of the first question. And then second question will be, what are the different types of animal habitat? You have to explain those animal habitats, different types of. So first one is terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Aquatic animals, animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Arboreal animals, animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Aerial animals, animals that can naturally fly in air are called aerial animals. Clear? So these four points will be described in the second question. Third question, what are the different types of adaptation in animals? So there are the different types of adaptations which you have to, there are a lot of, but I have taken only 4 points from the chapter. That are types of adaptation in animals are: animals living in cold climate have thick layer of fat and strong paws that prevent them from slipping on ice. They have the cold thick layer of fat when the cold climate doesn't affect them, right? And they do have the strong paws which prevents them from slipping from the ice. Some animals sleep during the winter season to avoid cold and stay warm. As you know that some animals are in hibernation. Hibernation is that stage when the animal goes in a sleep for a long time. It can be in the winter to avoid the cold and stay warm. Some animals remain inactive during summer to avoid heat. You know that estivation takes place at the time of summer. The animals remain inactive, they don't do much work, they just sleep to avoid the heat. Some animal can see in the dark to hunt at night. Nocturnal animals, as you know that they are those animals which can see in the dark for the hunting of their prey at night. Clear? So this is all about third chapter. It has all finished, and you can make some aquatic animals in your classwork copy. Clear? Some aquatic animals, aerial animals, arboreal animals and terrestrial animals. These are the types of animals which you have to draw in your classwork copy anywhere in the third chapter. हिंदी में समझ लीजिए कि थर्ड चैप्टर में आपको टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स एक ड्रॉ करना है, कहीं पर भी ड्रॉ कर दीजिए, ठीक है? चाहिए तो गिव रीज़न के सामने, या फिर आंसर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इन 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस, मतलब थर्ड चैप्टर के अंदर ही होना चाहिए. एक ही ड्रॉ करना है, चाहे वो रैट को कर दीजिए चाहे वो रैबिट कर दीजिए. टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स में किसी एक को करना है. एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स में फ़िश ड्रॉ कर दीजिएगा. आर्बोरियल में एक ट्री बनाइए, उसमें स्क्वायरल बना दीजिए, ठीक है? और एरियल एनिमल्स में बर्ड्स बना दीजिए. ये आपके 4 टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स दिखाए जाएंगे जो कि ड्राइंग में आने हैं. क्लियर? सो ये ड्राइंग आप थर्ड चैप्टर के अंदर बनाएंगे. and you can show it to me tomorrow for the checking. Thank you so much.